I'm going to show you how I create these cabochon earring settings, and we're going to make some snowflake earrings. So keep watching and I'll show you how. So we've got some snowflake 12mm cabochons, lots of designs. We also have these blue. I'm not sure which ones I'm using yet. I've got here's some earrings already made, and they have a flat bottom, but these are actually cheaper to buy, and they have this design on the back of them. So I'm going to actually use these today, and I've got 5mm jump rings, 2 pairs, and obviously I've got the earring wires, jewellery display card, logo stickers, Jessica May, that's my daughter, and 2 pairs of pliers. Now I actually went ahead and using these robin cabochons, I've made I'm going to make 2 pendant necklaces, but I've just glued those into the flat settings, which are silver plated. So they're going to dry, it won't take long at all. And we need to decide which ones we are going to make. Let's have a look what we've got. I did see some black that looked quite striking, but I'm not sure if people will wear the black. I think I'll do this blue, 2 blues, and choose some from here. When you have so many cabochons, you cannot make up, I can never make up my mind. So I'll put those to one side. So these are the 12mm settings. If you're using 12mm cabochons, they will go inside of 12mm settings. Okay, so we take some glue. Now I just use a small amount and use the nozzle. Just pop that one in. Give it a push. There we go. Same again with this one. Tiny little bit of glue, and then use the nozzle. Those 2. I am forever gluing my fingers together. I'm terrible with glue. Usually because I'm rushing. That one and this one. There we go. Now they do dry very quickly. Okay, so we take, these are dry now, so we take our jump rings. I have a video on all about jump rings, how to open them. So we are going to attach our earring wires. You don't have to use 925, you can just use silver plated, stainless steel to make them cheaper. And if you imagine, this is our earring wire. If that goes into your ear, we need them facing this way, like that. And then we close. Just hold on to that one. These aren't the right pliers. Someone has borrowed my pliers. There we have that one. And we do the same again. Attach our earring wires. Again, the earring wires are this way. This is where we're going to put our cabochon setting and then close. You can get all different types of earring wires. Some are at the bottom parallel and some are cross. That's the earring. So there's that one. So yeah, you can get earring wires that go different ways. Sometimes you don't have to use a jump ring. So again, they're this way. We attach those. And then we close. And these make nice gifts for Christmas, and inexpensive. There we are, there's that one. Again, we take this one. Open. Attach the earring wire. Cabochon setting. And then close. So we take a jewellery card, take one of my logo stickers. Rather than have cards printed, this is a cheaper way of doing it. Buy the earring cards. I also sell these. And get someone to make your stickers or print them yourself. So I'm just going to attach these. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available. And here we have the earrings. These are the other pair that I've made, and that's all there is to it. You can find the supplies that I've used on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, or handmade jewellery is free postage. If you spend over £10, you'll receive a 10% discount. That's the earring wires. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.